Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm standing right outside of the Motorcycle Fair in Stockholm, Sweden, and it's a lot of people here today. So you can see it's coming all the time. And just right behind me is the first monter, and I already seen the BMW 900 GS, and it's looking spectacular. I'm not gonna stand here and chat anymore. I'm gonna go inside and have a look at everything, and I'm gonna take a closer look at some of the bikes that I'm especially interested in. You're welcome to tag along. Okay, so that's a lot of bikes. I've been here all day, and mostly ADV bikes, of course. But yeah, that's it for today. So if you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you on to the next.